Alright, hey guys. RB King just getting off work, pretty tired. But it's breeding time for our American Chinchillas here. She's a fat girl. It's a fat girl. And the bunny boy. And the bunny boy. Alright, so we're gonna get this plastic thing taken out of there because they're tearing that up. I bought some ceramic tile, so we'll get those. But we're gonna go ahead and get them bred. We've had them a few days now. Time to get them bred, get on schedule. Let's see how this go, y'all. Ready? All right. Let's see how you do. Let's see how you do. Hey. Hey. How you doing? You ready to put in your work? You ready to put in your work? You stay in there. Stay in there. You stay right there. You stay right there. You stay right there. Yeah. You stay right there. Alright, right now what I'm doing is getting his food and the water out the way. You drank a lot of water today. Getting his food and water out the way so he has nothing. Oh, you poop on your mat. You poop on your mat. You poop on your mat. You're not sharing that much today. You're not sharing that much today. Put it on top of the roof of the old one for right now until they get done with their business. Yeah, on top of the roof right here. And then reach in there. Go ahead and put her in. It's time to mate. There you go. Do your business. Do your business. There you go.
Okay.
What? Don't do her head, boo. Like, oh, you're in the camera. You ain't get nothing right there. She's not gonna get up for you right there. It's freaking nature. There you go. Reposition. There we go. And then she lifts. Boom. See how he falls down? So that's one. It gotta happen 3 times. See, they might be too fat. Might be too fat. Two. We gonna have some baby rabbits. Now, I need to go get me an animal scale, but she might be a little overweight, but we'll see. She's proven though. She's had 5 litters so far, so we'll see. All right, that's 3. All right, looks like they're both tired, so we're doing this in the evening. We got 3, so we'll try it again in the morning when they freshly awake. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them their treats and call it a night. Peace. Yes, I will get back.